I'm Jeremy M. Gondaya and welcome to my first vlog ever. And this morning, we're about to find out the names and uses of some common carpentry tools. So, just keep on watching! I introduce the different carpentry tools, let me define to you what is a tool. It is a device or implement, especially one held in the hand. It is used to carry out a particular function. How important tools are. Did you know that tools are the most important items even on the ancient time until now? The ancient human used to climb the top of the food chain. By inventing tools, they were able to accomplish tasks human bodies could not, such as using a spear or a bow, an arrow to kill prey, since their teeth were not sharp enough to pierce many animals' skin. Even the tools in the carpentry is really needed, and it is really important because it is the only way that we could make something, just like furniture, buildings, as well as the houses, etc. So, these are some of the available carpentry tools here. Have here a cross-cut saw. The cross-cut saw is used for cutting wood perpendicular to the wood grain and can be a hand tool or a power tool. The next we have here also a hand saw. The hand saw is also known as the panel saws, are used to cut pieces of wood into different shapes. Next, we also have here a T-bevel. A T-bevel is an instrument that is used for laying out and transferring angles. Next, we also have here a tin snips. A tin snips is designed to cut and trim sheet metal and other thin yet tough materials. It is useful for cutting sheet metal to the desired measurements. Next, we also have here a chisel. A chisel is used for carving or cutting a hard material such as wood, stone, or metal by hand. It's struck with a mallet or mechanical power. Next, we also have here a tri-square. The tri-square is an implement used to check and mark right angles in construction work. Next, we also have here a claw hammer. So what it is for? It is used for driving nails into or pulling nails from some other objects. Next, we also have here a electric drill. An electric drill is used primarily for boring holes in nearly all materials. The electric drill can also be used for a variety of other tasks, facilitated by a number of accessories and attachments. Next, we also have here a power planer. So, bugat siya. Power planer, its primary function is to smooth the surface of the wood, but it can also be used to smooth woods, rough and grain. Also used for tempering wood. Next, we have here a pencil. So a pencil are suitable for marking on surfaces like concrete or stone. Then we also have here a push-pull tape. It is also known as a flexible rule, a measuring tape that is used for measuring long or short, or it's either a straight length. Then lastly, I have here a screwdriver. A screwdriver, it is a tool, manual or powered, that is used for screwing screws. Those are the carpentry tools, and I hope you have learned something about this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Fruits abundant, richly grown. Look, no need of lamp nor